Okay. So what happened after the this program? Voting in the estates general in the past had been conducted according to the principle that each estate had one vote. Now it was you can say the dilemma, the great problem was in the because all the things were set up on old basis, old regime. So earlier, what was the system? That three estates were there: first estate, second estate, third estate. So each state was carrying one vote only. Means how many votes were there? Three vote only. First state, second state, third state. Only three votes were there. So principle that each state had one vote. This time, to Louis XVI was determined to continue the same practice what had happened earlier, as I told you. But members of the third estate demanded that voting now be conducted by the assembly as a whole, where each member would have one vote. Now the people wanted change. What kind of change they wanted? They wanted that one person, one vote, as we democracy in keep. Now they demanded something. Something should be changed because they don't want to follow the rule of 100, more than 100 years, what was existing, because society was changing and they wanted that it should be changed and one person should give one vote. Thus, was one of the democratic principle, and it was the democratic idea today what we are following in the democratic country, put forward by the philosopher. Who the philosopher? Name, remember, the philosophers of Rousseau, like Rousseau in his book Social Contract. Jean-Jacques Rousseau, I told about this, that he wrote the book Social Contract. When the king rejected this proposal, member of the third estate walked out from the assembly in protest. Means when king was not ready with this that idea, mean what people want, one vote, one person, one value. So he rejected this. He rejected it. He did not agree with that one. So what these philosophers, these intellectual people, what did they do? They you can say walk out from the assembly. They protest, and where they went, the representative of the third estate viewed themselves as a spokesman because they quit from the assembly and they represented themselves. Represented means they became the leader of the time at that time and spokesman of the whole France nation. Spokesmen were on behalf of they were fighting, and they became the leader of the country because they were the representative of common people, because they brought their 40,000 application. They knew each and everything in the condition of society. So what happened means they became the spokesman, मतलब वो उनकी तरफ से बोलने वाले लोग बने, किनकी तरफ से? कॉमन पीपल की तरफ से. So on 20 June, they assembled in the hall of the indoor tennis court in the ground of Versailles nearby common ground, जो भी आपका मतलब गवर्नमेंट कोई बिल्डिंग होगी, that is tennis court था. वहाँ क्या हुआ? They people assembled there. The picture you can see here is given. The paintings is given. So they declared themselves the National Assembly. मतलब वहाँ उन्होंने क्या किया? They declared themselves कि हम जो है National Assembly तैयार करेंगे, एक राष्ट्र हित में एक assembly बनाएंगे. And swore means they took oath not to disperse till they had drafted a constitution for France that would limit the powers of monarch. Means until unless they will not disperse from that hole till they are making the constitution for France in which they will limit the power of monarch. Means monarch is not everything, he cannot do anything with his own wish. Means he should have some power, but power should be limited. Means people are first, like such kind of thing discussed there. And they were led by the Mirabeau and Abysses. These two names are very, very important. Keep them in mind, these two people, because one belonged to church, another belonged to Mirabeau was a noble person and Abysses was a church. So one was of noble and another was of church. So means from two estates, two main important people were with them. So obviously the impact was good over the people, because when from the estate मीन्स राजा की तरफ से और चर्च की तरफ से अगर कोई एक आदमी बीच में है, वो भी उन लोग के लिए सोच रहा है, वो द पुअर पर्सन, द कॉमन पर्सन ऑफ सोसाइटी, मीन्स समथिंग इज गुड. सो people were happy because These assembly were led by Mirabeau and Abysses. Mirabeau was born in the noble family, but was convinced the need to do away with the society of feudal privileges. He also was against of this system कि जो feudal privileges है, they should not be more in the society, because for this society is not developing, it is declining. So he brought out general and delivered the powerful speeches in the crowds assembled in Versailles. So what happened? Means he prepared some pamphlets, some speeches, and he went in crowd and you can say persuaded people like this कि what is happening, it is not justful. On the other, Abysses, originally priest. Originally priest means from his originality, or you can say on the basis of birth, he was a priest family. So he belonged to the priest family, wrote an influential pamphlet called What is the Third State? Now it is very emphatic and important statement. What he has written on many pamphlets, he shows to the people, he showed to the people that what is third state. What is third state means, here we can discuss, अगर आपको कोई बताए आप हो कौन, आप हो कौन, आप हो कौन, मतलब अगर हम कहें आपकी आपकी आइडेंटिटी क्या है, यू द स्टूडेंट ऑफ एपीएस, यू बिलोंग टू दैट वन, यू बिलोंग टू दैट वन, तो उन्होंने क्या दिखाया, थर्ड स्टेट क्या है, मतलब थर्ड स्टेट द कॉमन पीपल. कॉमन पीपल कौन है? दे आर दोज हु आर कॉन्स्टिट्यूटिंग 90% पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कंट्री. सो ये आपकी पहचान है, आप नहीं तो कुछ भी नहीं, ये उसका कहना था. व्हाट इज थर्ड स्टेट? उन्होंने कहा थर्ड स्टेट क्या है? थर्ड स्टेट केवल वो है जो आप दिखाते हो, आप कुछ नहीं करोगे तो ये खाएंगे क्या और करेंगे क्या, मतलब ऐसे एक तरीके से एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीच उसने तैयार करी और लोगों को असेंबल किया. Now, while the National Assembly was busy in Versailles drafting constitution, the rest of France seethed with turmoil. Means पेरिस में जो हो रहा था, it was okay, but what was happening in other part of the country or countryside, it was again full of anger. People were agitated, they were furious, they were fighting, they were not controlled. In villages, the condition was very much disturbed. A severe winter had meant a bad harvest. As I told you in the introduction, that these countries were on temperate zone, or basically what used to happen there means bad harvest was taken place. Because of that, price of the bread rose. Often bakers exploited the situation and hoarded the supply. ये होता ही है कि जब आपके पास रिसोर्सेस कम है तो होर्डिंग चल जाती है, जमाखोरी बढ़ती है, और लोग क्या है, कीमतें बढ़ जाती हैं, लोगों को सामान नहीं मिलता. तो इससे क्या था, द पीपल वर वेरी मच डिस्टर्ब्ड. एंड आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग hours in the queue at the bakeries, crowd of angry women stormed into the shops. Means the women who had the responsibility of the family, when they used to go for ration or for the grocery items, they hours after hours they were standing in a queue, and after that the turn is come, so they back empty hand. मीन्स खाली हाथ घर लौटती है, या खाली हाथ वो कहा जाता है कि सामान नहीं है तो क्या होगा, लेडीज और women will be attacking. So women stormed into the shops. Women stormed into the shop. Crowds of angry women stormed. Means the women now became the soldiers of the countryside region. And at the same time, the king ordered troops to move into Paris. Now listen, when everything is happening just like in situation as we discussed in introduction, means king ने order दे दिया था troops को, जाओ और कभी भी fire upon कर देना. तो ये वही वाली line है that at the same time the king ordered troops to move into Paris. उसने order दे दिया, पेरिस में घुसो, कहीं भी जाओ, जो कुछ है आप देखो. तो on 14 July, agitated crowd stormed and destroyed the Bastille. तो 14 जुलाई को क्या हुआ, एजिटेटिव क्राउड्स ऑफ पीपल, कॉमन पीपल स्टॉर्म्ड एंड डिस्ट्रॉयड द बस्टाइल. उन्हें बस्टाइल को तहस नहस कर दिया बिल्कुल. टिल हियर वी रीड इन दिस वीडियो, एंड अनदर वीडियो आई विल प्रिपेयर.